Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Viva Mkhonto, viva! Viva! Viva Mkhonto, viva! Viva! Comrade Ikam Siphelelo Mkhwanazi, July 17 kwi-by-election. Later on sozobe celebrate ukuthi sesiwinile what 17 ngoba vele sesiwinile njengamanje. Into engingayisho njengamanje ukuthi abonke abangenele lokhetho abaqoqa amatende abo behambe yolala ngoba sesiqedile vele njengamanje. Mase kubalwa athina sizikubala. Bona bazobala ukuthi ubani o number 2 ubani o number 3. Ngiyabonga amahlala wethu.
Malungu omkhonto wesizwe party ayenze le video ngaphambi kokuba aqala ama-by-election. Ngenhlahla ke kwenzeke njengoba bebefisa. I-MK party iwinile lapha ya eMandeni. Ama results ame kanje. Bathi MK wins another Mandeni ward of the ANC ward 17 Mathonsi Mandeni Ilembe district. MK wine ngo-61%, kwathi ANC yawina ngo-30%, yathola u-30%, kanti ngokudlule yayithola u-65%. I-IFP yathola u-9%, kanti ngokudlule yayithola u-17%. Ama-poll athe 43%, ngokudlule ayithe 38%. But ANC loses its outright majority in Mandeni. MK will be delighted with this win. This is arguably MK's best KZN-led elections performance in 2025. Uma sidlula phambili, ngifisa sibheke udaba lweMayibuye. Ngokusho kukaFloyd, uthe i-ANC ihlulekile ukuliberate abantu abamnyama, kanti i-EFF iyi-cult. Okwesibili, umkhonto wesizwe party awuyona i-organization, ngakho bafuna ukwakha i-organization ezolalela iy'dingo zabantu, ibeka abantu phambili. Kodwa kunokuthi babumbane bona qala bebodwa, sibona kuney'nxushunxushu ey'vela khona. Izathu senza ukuthi ngithi kuney'nxushunxushu lezi esilandelayo, ama-resignation maningi, sizobheka wona la. Okokuqala, baqale basuspenda uNolibabalo obeka u-deputy president weMayibuye movement. Manje kuresigne u-deputy president weMayibuye. Lokho ngabe kusho ukuthini? Asifundeke lama-resignation wakhona. Ethi ibhalwe ngomhla ka-25 kuNovemba 2025. Ibheke ku-Africa Mayibuye Movement. Attention President. Yayise ETCC National Core Team. Resignation. Revolutionary greetings. I, Robert Mnwendo, hereby render my resignation as Africa Mayibuye Movement Deputy President. I would like to appreciate and thank the learning and experience gained through my involvement in building Mayibuye. My focus is building an organization that is loyal to the workers and poor citizens in general under the Mawusa banner. I wish Mayibuye the best and wish the movement can be steered in the right direction for true total liberation and emancipation of our people. Revolutionary regards, wasiyasayina-ke. iMayibuye ayinayo 6 months i-exista nje ayinayo 6 months, kodwa sekunama-resignation asevela khona. Kuyangikhathaza-ke lokhu kakhulu kuyangikhathaza. I-resignation letter yesibili iphume ngomhla ka-25 kuNovemba 2025 iya kwi-Africa Mayibuye Movement, but attention Provincial Secretary basebathi CC Provincial Core Team. Resignation as provincial organizer. Revolutionary greetings. I, Shidohi Chauke, hereby render my resignation as Africa Maibuye Movement, Gauteng provincial organizer and a member of the movement. I wish Maibuye the best and wish the movement can be steered in the right direction for the true liberation and emancipation of our people. Wayesethi revolutionary regards. Fisa uqaphela into eyodwa la kule message yabo. Bathi I wish Maibuye the best and wish the movement can be steered in the right direction. Kungenzeka na ukuba iMaibuye movement lo ishayelayo akayishayeli ukuthi iye kwi-right direction. Why labantu abaresignayo babhala imessage efanayo okanye uyedwa umuntu obabhalelayo then washintsha imininingwane lapha phezulu? Uchauke yena ke uresigna as i-member, uresigna futhi as i-Gauteng provincial organizer. Ngizwile ukuthi u-deputy president uresigna as u-deputy president kodwa useseyimember. Kodwa lokufahambisana kwalamagama lawathi bafisa sengathi iMaibuye oyishayelayo ngayishayela to the right direction. Ngabe lokhu kuchaza ukuthi manje ayibhekanga kwi-direction e-right na? Angikucaphunele resignation letter yesithathu. Resignation letter yesithathu iphume ngomhla ka-25 kuNovember 2025 iya kwi-Maibuye Africa Maibuye Movement. Ithi attention provincial secretary, yayisithi CC provincial court team, CC regional court team, yayisithi resignation as regional deputy treasurer. Ifundeka kanje. It is with sincere regret that I must tender my resignation letter from Africa Maibuye Movement with immediate effect. I find it hard to continue as a die-hard member of the organization, leaving the organization on my own terms. Open quotes. Never has it been more certain that our victory depends principally on our own actions. Tell no lies, claim no easy victory. Close quotes. Wasiyabhala uthi vela kuKhabhala ngilibona igama lakhe kahle. I'm grateful for having the privilege to serve the organization. I will announce my new move very soon. Yours sincerely, Lucky Tumelo Malema. Babonile abantu beresign ikakhulukazi ku-MK Party. Kodwa bengingakaze ngabona kuresign abantu abathathu ngosuku olulodwa. Abantu mase beresigna nga-1-1. Yebo ke ngiyazi ukuthi baphuma ngomningi ngesikhathi uFloyd ayiphuma ne-Africa Maibuye. Kodwa kuyangidida konke lento eyenzakalayo. Kodwa mawulalelisisa kahle imessage yalabantu, buka nje lo bhodi lo sekugcineni. La lokuzana, la mazwi akawakhothayo. Uzwe la mazwi alaba ababili abathi bafisa sengathi i-Africa Maibuye can be steered in the right direction. Lokho kusho ukuthini? Mhlawumbe abantu abangamalunga e-Africa Maibuye bangakwazi ukusiphendula, kodwa ngesingami yangikhathaza lento ngoba ingipha umqondo othi kungenzeka ukuthi manje lo ishayelayo akayishayeli in the right direction. Angibambe le video, angifisi ukwenza ivideo ende. Ngifisa nje ukuthi sibhekele ihloko ezimbili. Sibongele i-MK Party ngokuwina lapha eMandeni endaweni yakwaMathonsi. Bese sikhuluma ngalolu daba le-Africa Maibuye. Ukuthi yini engenzeki kahle ku-Africa Maibuye, why abantu beresigna? Mbuzo wami loyo. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.